10 things that Africa is struggling with. First, many African countries are struggling with corruption and an insufficient justice system. This not only discourages foreign investment but also undermines public trust in institutions. Secondly, numerous African governments lack transparency and accountability, which perpetuates a lack of trust between citizens and their leaders. Thirdly, many African countries are still dependent on primary products like oil, gold, and diamonds as their major sources of income, which can lead to economic instability when prices fluctuate. Fourthly, colonial-era boundaries often cut across ethnic, linguistic, and cultural lines, resulting in ethnically diverse but politically fragmented states that can trigger conflicts and tensions. Fifthly, inadequate education systems and funding result in millions of illiterate and unskilled individuals who are unable to contribute to the economy. Sixthly, poor transportation infrastructure makes it difficult for goods to move around and for people to access jobs and services. Seventhly, poor healthcare systems and lack of funding have resulted in high infant and maternal mortality rates and preventable diseases such as malaria and HIV/AIDS. Eighthly, climate change is increasingly affecting Africa, with devastating droughts and floods that damage infrastructure, crops and lead to food insecurity. Ninthly, conflict and violence still plague many African countries, leading to internal displacement, destruction of infrastructure and loss of lives. 10th, lack of investment in science and technology limits the potential for the continent to innovate, develop and move forward, thereby lagging behind the rest of the world.